Haupa da noe deprodizketan eta, bueno, hemen gara FIFA mezazpian, bai esan nuen FIFA mezazpian nula erosiko, baina esan zute zuek. Baina, erosi indet bi gauzatik, bat FIFA mezazpian demoan ibilita ero FIFA ostean ibili nintzen, amaxia ez daukat, ez nuen erosita, ostean ibili nintzen, eta bai grafikokit diferentzia handia dago, osteetik behintzat izugarria dago. Eta gero beste gauze bat, interneten ikusi nuen modo historia, hemen, el camino delako hau, eta nahiko interesgarria ematen du serie bat egiteko, eta baita bestela jolaztero nahiko interesgarria ematen du, Alex Hunterrekin egiten da antze hau, nahiko gauze berria da, eta poste naiz FIFA gauza berri hauek sartzeaz, hau da, balio erantzi bat ematen diote jolasari azken finean. Eta, bueno, engoten seria aziraten izango hau, Alex Hunterrekin egindako El Camino hau, gerozta gindu izan benikarrako izkitzutetan realakin partiduak edo onlineko partidua, baina, bueno, momentuz El Camino hau ingo dugu. Ale, hazingo gara. Bueno, club favorito. Selecciona tu club favorito de la Premier League. Burnley, Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Everton, Hull, Leicester, Liverpool, Manchester, Middlesbrough, Southampton, Stoke. Hauxe, West Ham aukeratukoet. Ez naiz ni ekipo handien zale normalen.
Pass me in. Go on, Alex, take him on.
Hombre, pasatzen ikistea baloiare. Ondo legoke.
Oh, what was that? Stay on your feet, Alex! Terrible!
You serious, Harold?
Ref! Where's the foul? Unlucky, mate. Looks like Ben's now.
Thanks, guys.
See, George, I told you the boy had talent, didn't I?
No son of mine goes down like that. It's embarrassing.
If you're going to talk like that about our boy, you should leave.
Leave! I want him to be a proper player!
Just get out of here.
Fine. I'm leaving.
Go on then.
All right.
Lol. Toki bat egiten ez du asmatu arbitroak. Arba penaltitara. Jode! Ja, baloia urreratzekoa zatorren albozka tipoa. Normala kanpora botatzea. Ah, bueno. Gure atezainak gelditu du.
This is going in.
Go on, Alex!
Hala, penalti eta erdu. Eta zeuren ez desizioa gure izango da. Hala.
Oh, London's finest, mate. Hey, first of many. You should hang it here. Be like a trophy cabinet.
Didn't even care that we'd won.
Look, I'd better go, mate. Mum will want to hear about the match. See you at school Monday, yeah?
You played well today, Gareth.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Hunter. Hey, Alex. Champions!
Penny for him.
Ritornataustet
Come on.
aktore realakin egin dituztela.
Football. This is what I want to do. Like you. And Dad.
You know, there's a difference between playing at something and working at it. You're serious about going pro, you're going to have to make football your life. You know? George Baker was at the game today. He was impressed.
The scout.
Yeah. Yeah. I want you to have this. I scored my 100th goal with that. February 1969, Coventry City away. Left foot volley. Sweet as a nut. Here, might bring you luck too.
You sure, Granddad?
Oh yeah.
I'll practice with it every day.
Well, you better get on with it then, ain't you?
Jotako duen zapatilla genetxean. Dan gauza inkomodoakin, zelaitik kanpora.
It's time, Alex.
Vale, pruebas de entrada. Los jóvenes jugadores luchan por su última oportunidad de lograr sus objetivos en la Premier League. Momentuz Premier League erako bakarrik egin dute. Polita izango litzateke urrengo urtetakorako beste ligan batzutako egitea. Baina ikusita Premier Leaguek ze diru mugitzen duen Liga Espainolan da aldean, etze dirutzen Liga Espainola izango da.
4 years in the academy and it all comes down to an exit trial. Never thought we'd be showing up for one of these.
Acá chula, modesta o neutral. Vale. Modesto gustatzen zait. Olvídate de eso. Todo controlado. Hay que estar centrados.
Just gotta stay focused, Gus.
Listen, lads. Don't see this as an exit trial, okay? See it as an opportunity to impress. You just go out there and express yourselves. George Baker's a tough nut, but he knows a good player when he sees one. And you lads are just that.
Bueno, FA da Inglaterrako futbola federazioa.
Wish Dad could be here, Mum.
Hey. Today's about you, Alex.
Nice motor, mate.
I'll take skills over flashy murder any day, mate.
Oh, yeah? Who's the one with the pro contract on the table, mate?
Ignore him, lads. You let your talent do the talking.
Bai, hori, aitonak ondo esaten du.
Has he got pro contract?
Bruv.
You lads are here today to prove that you've got the skills to make it in a professional game. Now, for the last few years, you've all been honing your skills at your respective academies, but for whatever reason, you've been released. Now, the league organises these trials because it believes some very talented players may well slip between the cracks. So this is your chance to prove to me and to all of the scouts from around the country here in attendance that you've got what it takes to be a professional footballer. Make no mistake, most lads don't. For most of you, today's trial will be the end of the road. But for some, it could be the start of the professional career you've all been working towards. Everything you do, every kick of the ball will be scrutinised and will count towards making your future in football. And these lads behind me already have their pro contracts. They know where they stand. They are the bar. And today, you're gonna take them on. So let's see what you got.
Hortaz, naranja una kontratu haukate eta berdeunak guiana.
Right, Williams is eyeballing you again.
Let's see how confident he is when I get him one-on-one on the pitch.
Modesto, baina erantzuna gain modesto ez dira.
Listen, I know you fancy yourself as a bit of a multi-dimensional player that can play anywhere, but today you get to choose which position's best for you. So put your best foot forward. Impress these scouts, all right, lad? So what's it gonna be?
Buf, vale. Hortaz, a ber ze posizio hartzen dugu. Delantero centro, medio centro, extremo derecho, extremo izquierdo. Ah, vale, defensa eta ezin da. Ah, vale. Ez dakit. Ez que medio centro ondo mate zitzaidan. Ibiltzen ditzen FIFA 15ean, pertsonaia bat hartuta manejatzen da, medio centro ondo ibiltzen ditzen. Baina igual delantero centro nahiago. Bai, delantero hartuko ikusgarriago egiteko zea. Nola? Hau, gameplay hau, serie hau. Bestean normalean medio zentroa gehiago gustatzen zait. Entre los 10 primeros. Vale, oina mausgarren hau.
Let's sort out the men from the boys. After that, we'll work on some drills and another half of 11v11 for the top players. All right, lads, go do yourselves proud.
Vale, partidua 11aren kontrakoa. Bueno, delantero zentroa pentsatzet bera bakarren manejatzen izango gala. Aba, ez? Eta zeltasuna ez dakitzen bat nola daukaten jarreta. Ahí. Es que claro. Ai. Claro, pertsona batekin nota ona atera berbaet, bera bakarren manejatzen nahiko nuke. Uish. Zerra roite zaiten. Ez que, claro, Alex Hunter zeakin dago. Horiz dago irudikatuta. Eta, claro, gorriakin da horiakin diskuratu iten naiz, pertsona zein daukaten aukeratuta. A ber... Epa, falta bai. Zer da, entrenatzaia bi? Zentzuik ez dauka bi entrenatzaia gotea, baina bueno. Zeltasuna igual gehi dauka jarreta. Ze aspal... Ze de Montroi daiten atezan, ja? Aspaldian ibili gabe FIFAn da. Ka. Aspaldian ibili gabe, ba, pila kostatu zait. Ez da posible aldatzea. Vale, hau zaukat. Zeratik ez du nire jokalaria baloi hartu hor. Pasatzen utzi dio. Jesus va a ser raro. A ver, vale. Hanbi haiek ze haideako ezatzen, Venga, venga. Ahí. Igual, ze agien dut. Gehi irakutzi dut, pase hori. Joe. Talde gidea paren jartzen. Ai. Azeleratu indu, tairo frenatu zeak. Unlucky from the beginning, ja. Vale. Kakazarra. Luzeri botaet. Shoa bote badenun, ondo zegoen, Alex posizionatuta. Ez, noa! Ze pase egin dit. Bueno. Uste denbora erdia jarri zara. Proba. Bai.
What, mate? Don't look yourself out there today.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me, man. I need to wake up.
Yeah, you do, mate. Sharp.
Baina ondo ez tetein. Lehenoa maus garrenean. Ah, coño. Lehenao. Ai, beira, eskuizkuia, no?
Shooting drills. Let's see how good you are at putting the ball in the back of the net.
Vale. Disparo. Ez dakitena tipoa zelan, eskuina o eskerra. Really? Ai, joa. Objetibo aldatu egin da. Errepikatu egin bat. Hiru aldiz errepikatu bezkego. Vale. 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 Han bai, puntu pila. Vale. Vale, ya leheno baino hobeto, seguru. Ai. Listo, ba. Puntu pila. Lehen, bai. Taskoak diraino. Bigarren gure launa, Gareth Walker.
Blimey, Hunter. Where did that come from? You've been watching videos of me.
Este Renzo.
I know. You can only wish you were this handsome.
Gareth esaten den bezala, palabras necias oídos sordos. Gareth Walker, bigarren dago.
Next, we'll be testing you on your ball control. Move.
Vale. Vale, excelente, así que lehen egin dut, niken, lehenengoan gaina. Vale, ondo guaz. Lehenengoan marran artean bukatu behar da. Bueno, lehen bukatzen badeu, ba,
Passing drills. Move the ball with precision and purpose. Let's get started.
balon al hueco. Vale, bialdo erdizko. Bien. Ai, zerizki. Joder. Zeratik iten dit atzea pertsonaiak. Pertsona saldatzen dit. Jode, enitzan kontuatzen. Pentsatzen nuziakin bakarrik jatzen itzala. Garezekin gehatzen itzala. Repetitu ze... Gau. Zehara aldatze zin. Gareth Walkerrea. Eta hori, pentsatzen Alexekin bakarrik zela. Ai. Nahi dut hoi pase hori dein. Really? Vale. Porteri utza. Excelente, bien. Gareth Walkerri pasatu egin dio. Ondo. Ba, lehen zeitzen dugu.
Okay, I want to see some skill, positioning, being a team player. Let's crack on, lads.
Bi versus hiru atakia, vale. Aix. Ahí, kanpora. Barrura. Vale. Aix. Bien. Ondo. Berre zengo dugu. Jode, arki hasi naiz. Jode. Ez que batzutan distantzia gutxi, eta etortze zaizu parera, zeure laguna. Ai. Berriz egin berko dugu, zeu, oaindik geizkia oain datuta. Bai. Ono mila kentziatik berriro, ondo. Joe. Gutxen ez azkar botatzea kanpora. Hori. Ix. Benetan. Ezke batzutan behira, oso errezak uste dizkit. Portero hartu. Azkeneko intento dengo bet. Jo, zegizki. Ezke ez da mugitzen batzutan. Ezke aldatu iten di pertsonea, ez da giziatik. Hori eta. Kanpora hartatzea. Bezki. Endet. D. Gehiago zindet ez. Hartzen barren jarraitzen dugu. Zazpigarren dira pasaga.
The 11-a-side game. Your final chance to show us what you got.
Hemen ezin dugu kagatu.
Skill. Being a team player. This is what we'll be looking for. Good luck to you, lads.
Vale. Azkeneko proba.
Decent showing from you today, lad. But I can't help but think you got more to offer.
I hope you're right.
When it comes to youth talent, I usually am. Just focus on the 11-a-side game. Go out there and play your game.
Hori favoritismoa egiten nahi da, nahi gauza gaiz daitez den beste ez da nahi izaten. Har neure pertsonea garri mugitu dezaketan? Ez, hori ez. Jo. Ezke askoz gehiago gustatzen zait. Pertsonaiaten evoluzioa, kasu honetan, puntuazioen berbaet, bat manejatuta nahiago izaten dut. Baina hainbeste zein dut. Hainbeste bilinez modalitate hortan, nahiko ondo maten zai pertsonaia manejatzen. Eta nola, defentsan oso txarra nahi zenez, hartara. Joder. Joder, txarra dira defentsan ere. Uff. Gehiago tardatu zapasea egiten. Eta horrengoan Hori pentsatzen 45 minutuko partidioa izango da. Jode. Bez ikusten defendatzen naiz izugarri pertsona txarra. Portero. Joder, hor logeatu naiz. Ero baita, ez da eskusa, neu enaiz oso ona zea, baina mando hau daugatena horriblea da, sensibilitate txartxarra hauka. Beste jolaz askotan, autoetakotan lepo sufritzet mando honekin. Nik ez diot eman buruz jotzeko, baina, bueno. Venga. Bien, pase ona. Tak, Gareth Walkerek sartu du gola. Ai, joder, zeatik eskaintzen du desmarkea eta gero gelditu egiten da, pasea mandakoan. Bien. Hor gorputza sartzeko mandiet. Aix. A ver. Pentsa atezaini gaina sartu inbertziola. Vale. Bueno, irazi da. Ez da ize puntuete, no? Beira lehen bukatu da guztira. Eta zenbagarren? Garth Walker 10. Justuan sartu da, Joa manejando a Hunter. Leon bai, eman di.
Well done, lads.
Hori hasieratik eman bertzun.
Lots of hard work on display out there. Hard work in training is the first step to making it as a pro, and I saw plenty of that on display today. Some of you even looked like you could play the game. Now, over the next few days, the scouts will be reviewing their performance notes, as will I. Some of you may be lucky enough to get a pro contract. But if that phone doesn't ring, don't give up. Keep working hard. Keep improving. If one knockback makes you want to quit, football isn't the career for you. All right, lads, that's it for today. Good luck to you all.
Williams. He's got a mouth on him, hasn't he? Never shuts up.
You can give it large all he wants, man. I just want to play football.
I feel you, bruv. But how awesome would it be to see him get released, though?
Oh, mate. I dream about it like reoccurring.
Shift starts in half an hour.
It won't be long now.
Do you think Alex will be okay? He's been talking about his dad a lot recently. I mean, maybe the pressure, the exit trials, got on top of him.
They played well today. Listen, Catherine. About Harold. Maybe if I hadn't been travelling away to games all the time. You know, some seasons it was like 10 months of the year.
You always came back, Jim. You never walked out on your family.
No, I followed my dreams. But Harold's injuries cut it short, it ruined him. Stopped you from following yours. I mean, you gave up everything.
And I'd do it again. You know he just wants to be you.
You?
Right?
All right. Yeah. What do you think, Grandad?
Great performance today, lads. Top drawer. You stood out a mile.
I am so proud of you.
You should be, Mrs. Hunter. Especially when it runs in the family. Burly, no-nonsense forward, brave as a lion, excellent first touch, like a sort of yesteryear Didier Drogba. 22 goals, 68-69. You're Jim Hunter, aren't you?
I know you.
I used to collect football cards. Michael Taylor, Rising Stars Football Agency. We are absolutely the guys for nurturing young potential, and you boys, you got it coming out of your ears. You need representation, you call me. Night or day, Christmas Day, doesn't matter.
Cheers.
Keep it in mind.
You go safely now.
I've heard of that guy. Was around back when your dad was still playing. We should call him.
Aitu nahi grazia handik ez digai. Bueno, lehenengo kapitola hemen utziko dugu. Rendimiento en la prueba excelente, lehenengo postua. Amesari soziala ematen du. bi mentzio euskat, Twitterren. Gareth Boykers laguna eta amana. Eta ajustes... profesional dauka jarrita. Profesional mantenduko pertsonaia mugitzen baldin bada. Dana mugitzen jetxengo nuke. Aficionadores... Bueno, ondo da. Ba, bueno, hau izan da lehengo kapitula, espero zuen guztoko izatea, eta, ale, urrengo kapitula jarretuko du, ale, aio.